Hello, it's Michael from REMEDIGAP. Joanne and I have some urgent information that can help protect you from a potential healthcare disaster. If you're wanting to keep your current drug plan for next year, you need to watch this video and make sure your medications are covered for next year. So here's the potential disaster. When you receive your annual notice of change from your Part D drug company, and at first glance it may look like the premium is acceptable. Maybe it's staying the same or even decreasing in price. In this example, it's only going up a few dollars next year. But here's the hard truth. Relying solely on premium changes can be costly because you may have one or more medications that are not covered. Now, Joanne and I have already gone through this scenario a few times with our family members, and it could have been a disaster if they stayed on their original plan, if just basing it on the monthly premium. So I'm going to walk you through your Medicare.gov account and help you confirm that all your prescribed medications are covered. And if not, you'll need to get out of that plan and look at another plan option. Let me show you how to do that in a few simple steps. First, you're going to go to Medicare.gov, and when you get there, you're going to click Login. You're going to have to enter your username and password. Once you enter your username and password, you're going to click Login. Now we're going to click on the Health and Drug Plans drop-down arrow here and click on Find Health and Drug Plans. Okay, it's going to take you to this welcome screen where it says hello and your first name's here. Now on this screen we're going to look at two areas carefully. The first area is the Your Pharmacy list, which you'll scroll down here and you can see that right here, Your Pharmacy list. Now this is extremely important because for my mother, she had 5 pharmacies listed in Tennessee and she does not live in Tennessee. For some reason, she had 5 that were listed out of state. So that's step number 1. You need to edit your pharmacies and select your preferred pharmacies. Now, step number 2 is right down here, your drug list. It's very important to review and edit any drugs that need to be addressed. You can add, delete, or modify any medications here. You need to go through this carefully. Remove any medications you no longer need. Modify any details like dosage, quantity, or frequency if you notice that those need to be changed. Add any medications that you need to include for your plan. So I've included a couple medications here for this tutorial. One is atorvastatin, that's going to be covered, and this ziopatan, not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, this one will not be covered. So again, just going back, something that's very important is to make sure you do all this because in my mother's account, she had 6 medications listed, pre-populated in her account that she did not take. So for some reason, the medications were not accurate at all in her account, and she's going to have to come in there and add all her medications for the review. So just another note, make sure your drug list is accurate before moving on. Okay, so this example is set with these 2 medications. Once we're ready, we're going to go down here to Find Plans Now. This is for 2024, zip code is selected, and we're going to select Medicare Drug Plan Part D. Now we'll click on Find Plans. At the top here it says Your Next Plan. This is the plan that you'll be automatically enrolled in next year if you don't make a change. So we're going to click on the plan details, and this is how we're going to confirm that your medications are covered. We're going to scroll all the way to the bottom here. We're going to click on View More Drug Coverage. Scroll down, and we're going to find under the Other Drug Information box the 2 medications that we have listed. Okay, once again, we are targeting the medication that is not covered. This is what we're concerned about. We want to make sure that all your medications are covered for next year. And if you come across a medication that is not covered, then it's important that you look at your plan options for next year. If we scroll up and look at this medication, we can see if we shopped at Walgreens, the atorvastatin that is covered is a $0 monthly cost, but that Zypitan would cost $276.72 every time you would fill it out every month. That can be an extremely costly mistake. So, for example, in the current year, this plan may have covered this medication. The problem is it may not cover it the next year, and that's what we confirmed by going through this process. Now, don't panic if you have a medication that's showing up as not covered. We're going to address that in an upcoming video where we'll guide you through how to find your recommended plan for next year based on your current medications. We hope this video has been helpful. Please remember that premium changes alone won't give you the full picture. You need to dive deeper into your Medicare.gov account and verify that your prescribed medications are still covered. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more valuable Medicare insights. Bye for now.